our focus continues to be the latest as far as Indigo crisis is concerned. It's the fourth day in the row. Chaos continues for air travelers across major airports in the country. In Delhi, all Indigo flights have been cancelled till midnight tonight. And the latest update that we are getting is that Indigo has now issued another long statement. In this statement as well, Indigo has issued an apology. Indigo has apologized to the passengers for the inconvenience that the passengers are facing every day. Indigo also says the issue cannot be resolved overnight. Let's go across to my colleague Isha joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Isha, yet another big statement coming in from Indigo, an apology there, but what else is mentioned in this statement? Because everybody wants to know, when will this issue be resolved?
You know, we've seen absolutely harrowing visuals when we see airports. We've seen elderly people, we've seen children, we've seen pregnant women struggling. In fact, we've seen some very sad visuals of people not able to get to the places to even perform a death ritual for a relative who has passed away. So now Indigo coming in and apologizing. But again, the question is this too little, too late? Because the condition on the ground is absolutely distressful for the passengers. They are struggling. They're currently on the ground. Luggages are scattered all across the bay. There is no clarity on when they will get a flight, if they can fly out. And in fact, not just that, there is no clarity on refund as well. So it is like all the passengers are being hit from all ends, and Indigo is now coming out and apologizing for sure here. But again, the question is, will this apology actually suffice? Because people here continue to struggle. Indigo has promised that they will be allowing a refund and they will be helping the process get easy as well. But they're also saying that that hotel rooms booking will also become easier. But again, Hina,
right,
this is not enough.
Absolutely, this is not enough, and we have some more breaking inputs coming in. Why has Indigo decided to cancel so many flights at Delhi airport? To understand what happens next, let me straight away go across to my colleague Madhav joining us live. Madhav, what have you learned from your sources? When is this situation going to get resolved, and what is the strategy that Indigo is now using to, get rid of the situation that we are into right now?
Well, the primary reason that we're seeing these massive cancellations happen across airports and the entire day's operations in Delhi being suspended until late evening at multiple airports across the country as well. There is a calibrated strategy in this, and the reason is that Indigo has decided that it is going to take a hard stop. It will have to do a hard stop as far as its operations are concerned and hit the reset button. And this is primarily because what top sources in the government are telling us. Remember that both the Ministry of Civil Aviation as well as the DGCA are seized of this matter, and they're working non-stop to try and resolve this crisis. Of course, there are a number of questions that are being asked of the government and the regulator itself as to why they did not see this coming. But that apart, what is being told at this point of time is that they are now looking at the fact that it has an extensive network across the country. So the spillover effect of operations on one sector end up impacting on other sectors as well, because of the kind of logistical planning that happens to optimize the operations of flights as far as Indigo's huge network is concerned. It's the biggest network of such flights, and therefore the spillover effect that happens because of delays on one sector hugely impacting it. And you have a situation today where even pilots of the airline are stranded in certain cities beyond the time of their rest and are not available for operations in another city where they would normally have been. So what they've decided to do is to go in for a slightly curtailed schedule, and from tomorrow when they begin their flights, they hope that the level of disruption that we've seen today and over the last 2 days, that will not happen. They will go as per the number of crew that they have. They will be recalibrating the total number of flights, and they will be issuing a detailed statement on this as well. DGCA will have to be informed about this, and that will be something that is likely to be approved. But this essentially is happening to ensure that the operational level that today we've seen completely crash and completely, of course, cause a huge amount of pain for passengers, that comes under control. And this is something that is expected to be announced later today by Indigo as well. Already one statement where they've apologized, but a more detailed statement of what they're likely to do from tomorrow is what we expect coming in from the airline as well. This is what top government sources are telling us.
All right, of course, we'll be looking forward to that fresh statement. Thank you very much, Madhav, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this big story. Viewers, as air travelers, I know you are concerned about refunds, whether you will get your money back or not, because the airline is cancelling the flights this time. So in this long statement that Indigo has issued just now, Indigo has clearly mentioned that refunds will be processed automatically. So this is some, sigh of relief there coming in for passengers who were extremely worried whether they'll be getting their money back or not because of these mass cancellations that we are witnessing across India involving Indigo flights. Let's also now show you this report that my colleague Sahil Suhail has sent to us from Srinagar.
इंडिगो एयरलाइन की फ्लाइट्स लगातार कैंसिल हो रही हैं। श्रीनगर एयरपोर्ट से आज 18 फ्लाइट्स ऑपरेट होनी थी, जिसमें से अब तक 10 फ्लाइट्स को कैंसिल किया गया है। बाकी लोगों के साथ साथ देश के सैनिकों को किस तरह की दिक्कतें आ रही हैं, जो कश्मीर में जिनकी पोस्टिंग है, जिन्हें छुट्टियां मिलती हैं, और वो छुट्टियां, उनका शेड्यूल कैसे डिस्टर्ब हुआ इस फ्लाइट कैंसिलेशन से, इनसे बातचीत करते हैं। आप मुझे बताएं कितने बजे की आपकी फ्लाइट थी और कितनी दिक्कत हुई अभी?
सर, मेरी फ्लाइट 8:50 की थी। फ्लाइट कैंसिल है, बात वो नहीं है। दिक्कत ये है, फ्लाइट कैंसिल अगर हुई है, कम से कम दूसरी फ्लाइट को अरेंज करानी चाहिए थी। मेरा मुद्दा ये है, अब से मतलब छुट्टी हम लोग 10 लोग छुट्टी से मिली है। अब आज सब लोग फ्लाइट से जाते 2 घंटे में लोग दिल्ली पहुंच जाते, लेकिन अब सर फ्लाइट ना मिलने की वजह से अब सर हम मतलब बस देखेंगे, किराया जो सर उसका है मतलब वो भी सिर्फ किराया तो रिफंड हो जाएगा, लेकिन सर फिर भी काफी समस्या देखनी पड़ती है हम लोगों को।
काफी समय के बाद छुट्टी मिलती है और उसमें छुट्टी में भी इस तरह की बाधा आ जाती है तो कितनी तकलीफ और परेशानी होती है?
तकलीफ तो बहुत है। देखो, हमको अभी मिले 8 दिन छुट्टी, तो 8 दिन छुट्टी में क्या करेंगे? जाने के लिए हमको लगा 3 दिन। मैं महाराष्ट्र का रहने वाला, तो अब जाने के लिए 3 दिन लगेगा। क्या करेंगे? फ्लाइट में जाना था, मतलब मेरा इधर से 8:50 का फ्लाइट था, दिल्ली से वो भी कैंसिल कर दिया इंडिगो का। मतलब इंडिगो का मतलब इतना तो सही नहीं है फ्लाइट करना, अभी तो हमको लग रहा है। फौजी आदमियों के लिए मतलब नुकसान ही है इंडिगो का फ्लाइट करना। 1 घंटे तक मैंने बोला 1 घंटा लेट है, फिर बोला 2 घंटे डिले है, उसके बाद बोलते फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई। अब तो बस हम लोगों से वही मांग कर रहे हैं, सब फ्लाइट दूसरी अरेंज कीजिए।
अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं? अभी आप एयरपोर्ट से बाहर आ गए?
हम लोग सर ये कैब कोई बुक करेंगे तो यहाँ से जम्मू जाएंगे, उसमें 6-7 घंटा लगेगा। उसके बाद जम्मू से आएंगे दिल्ली, फिर हम बस देखेंगे, तो टाइम सर काफी लगेगा। 1 दिन मेरा ऐसे ही निकल जाएगा।
आपकी फ्लाइट भी थी इंडिगो की?
इंडिगो फ्लाइट थी, मेरे साथ 2 छोटे छोटे बच्चे 3 साल का। अब हम लोग क्या करें समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
So viewers, just like this passenger, there are several passengers across India who are suffering, who are now looking for alternate arrangements because of this Indigo crisis. But what we can tell you right now as passengers, there's some relief coming your way. Refunds for your cancellations will be processed automatically is what Indigo has said. Indigo has also said that it is going to give full waiver on all cancellation or reschedule requests for bookings between 5th to 15th of December. So some relief there coming in who have their tickets booked for the next few days but are not sure whether the flight is going to take off or not. So here's your answer as far as the Indigo crisis is concerned. We'll slip into a very short break right now. We'll be back with more. Don't go anywhere.